How to create a survey in Google Form? Well, it's pretty simple. So first you need to click on blank form to create a new form. Once you're over here, you can name it anything. So I'm going to name this survey called age gender. Then what I'm going to do is go on settings and make it a quiz. Now you can make it a quiz or not make it a quiz, but it's up to you. All right, but I like to make it a quiz. So it's going to be age. So now I'm going to give them an option 10 to 15. My next is going to be 15 to 50, and my next option is going to be other. So once I do this, I can make sure if it is required. If required is tick marked, they have to answer this in order to move to the next question. Now if I click on plus, I can add another question. And if I click on this, it's going to add another section, which means after they answer this, they're going to move on to the next page. All right, which is going to be this. Now over here, I can just ask them like, how was your day? And bam, what I can do is now over here, they can enter their answer. So just like this, you can create your survey and click on publish and it will be published. You can share it to ask answer from other people. That's how you guys can create yourself a Google form for survey. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.